So Bitcoin truly has come full circle here during this bear market after the drop below 5,800, right? It came straight down to 3,100, straight back up to 5,400. Guys, this market has provided opportunity in both directions, extremely lucrative opportunity in both directions. And you gotta love it, guys. You gotta love it. I mean, Bitcoin, this is why we love Bitcoin, guys. There's always an opportunity. And I just want to talk a little bit about the price action overall, long-term and short-term. So, let's just start off with the 4-hour chart. We are actually remaining above the support line here, guys. We've hit this support line multiple times now, kind of just riding with the 21 exponential, finding some support above it, some resistance below it. And then, breaking through it right now. Literally, as I'm making the video, we just had a nice spike to the upside here. So we could be retesting some old resistance. But overall, we are kind of moving down levels. Slowly but surely kind of moving down levels, but we are still getting higher lows. And that's really the most important thing here, is that this structure still has higher lows. So there is still upside potential here. Now, if we just back out to the 1 day, I'm just looking at this area here on the daily. Just go to the 3-day. I think right here there's a good area of confluence. This support, upsloping support, this resistance here. I think if we are going to pull back, I think our strongest area to find support would be this area right here, which really ranges in between 3,700 and 4,200. I think is going to be our main support area if we are going to have a pullback soon. But guys, we are still getting higher lows here, so there is chance for upside. Now, guys, I just want to show you, Bitcoin is progressing, right? We're moving above the macro trend resistance. And even if you want to interpret it this way, we are also moving above that resistance line as well, actually getting some support there, right? So we are still getting some, continuous upside, guys. This swing is still moving. If you just look to the left, the area that we found support at 3,100 was both a parabolic top and a parabolic low back here in the 2017 bull market. Parabolic top, parabolic low, and we did find support at 3,100 there. And right now, where we found resistance most recently is also, kind of lining up with this area where we found a little bit of support during the bull run, and where we found support during the consolidation at 6,000. So we're now just kind of bouncing off of these levels, which is quite interesting. Of course, guys, recently I've been talking a lot about the cycles and how we're seeing really incredible similarities here in all cycles, in the way that, when Bitcoin breaks the macro trend resistance, you get the 50 simple moving average to squeeze into the 200, and we pop out of here for a long-term move. And right now we're getting something similar, where we see the 50 squeezing the price action in the 200 simple below us. So we are seeing things that are very similar, but I just want to let you guys know that the market doesn't have to repeat cycles, right? Again, Bitcoin is at a different time and a different place right now. We don't necessarily have to get some sort of, nothing, Bitcoin doesn't have to fulfill our expectations in any way, guys. We could just be trading sideways here for a long time. We don't know. We don't know we don't really know what state the industry is in. Guys, the market could also be much more bullish than most of us even expect. It could be that we're going to come back up, get above this previous resistance. And that to me would be a really good sign. If we actually continue to the upside, break above that previous resistance, turn it into support and continue up, the market could end up being way more bullish than a lot of people anticipate, right? But if we, and of course, if you're just looking at the weekly, you have the simple moving averages, that 200 simple, if we come back, so the way that I'm treating this right now personally, guys, the way that I'm looking at the market right now is I'm going to use this 50 simple as my indicator if the market is, getting very bullish, and this is going to be, the 200 simple is going to be my indicator if the market is getting very bearish. If we break above the 50 moving average on the weekly and we actually hold above that and find higher prices and higher lows, then the market is looking extremely bullish, right? And if we of course retest the 200 simple and break below that, the market would be looking extremely bearish, right? So for me right now, things are actually quite simple. Using these simple moving averages, 250, it's a quite simple. I don't think things have to be more complicated than that. Just looking at Bitcoin's, past price action isn't guaranteed to repeat again, but this is just historically how this market behaves. And for me, it's quite simple. A break above the 50 simple moving average would be very bullish, and a break below the 200 simple moving average would be very bearish. And that is all I really need right now to tell me, you know, how I should be looking at this market. So guys, I just want to sort of share that with you. I mean, short term, guys, you know, anything's possible. Here recently, right now, we're getting a nice bounce to the upside, right? We're getting a nice bounce up, looking to, you know, maybe retest some resistance here. And we'll see, right? We'll see how this goes. But yeah, guys, if you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you all in the next video.